हेलो एस्पिरेंट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है अनिल स्टाइगेस की यूट्यूब चैनल पे। हम सबने कोरल ब्लीचिंग के बारे में सुना है, पढ़ा भी है। एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट है कोरल ब्रीचिंग। हम देखेंगे व्हाई इज इट इन यूज, व्हाट इज कोरल ब्रीचिंग एंड इसकी करंट सिचुएशन क्या है इंडिया में, व्हाट इज द सीवीड्स, बिकॉज सीवीड्स की वजह से ही ऐसा हो रहा है। देन वी विल सी सम पॉइंट्स अबाउट कोरल्स वर्सेज द सीवीड्स। देन सीवीड्स प्रोडक्शन देखेंगे इंडिया में। हिस्ट्री ऑफ द इन्वेसिव एल्गा स्पीशी देखेंगे, जिस स्पीशी ने इन्वेड किया है कोरल ब्रीचिंग के लिए। आफ्टर दैट, क्योंकि ये जो टॉपिक है ये रिलेटेड है मन्नार मैराइन बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व से, तो हम इसको भी थोड़ा कवर करेंगे। आफ्टर दैट वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग आवर टुडेस प्रीलिम्स प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस व्हिच वुड बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाई इन न्यूज? Recently, basically dead corals reefs were observed near the Kurusadai, Tamil Nadu, one of the 21 uninhabited islands forming the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. So basically 21 uninhabited islands हैं जो गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार का मैराइन नेशनल पार्क बनाते हैं। इसमें कुछ आइलैंड्स पे डेड कोरल रीफ्स मिले हैं। द प्राइमरी रीजन जो माना जा रहा है वो है कैपाफाइकस एल्वारेजी, which is a seaweed species deliberately introduced for commercial cultivation around 20 years ago. Now, what is the current situation? So basically, 6 islands have been reached by this algae, which is the Capaphycus, and infected the adjoining corals. These are the 6, which is Shingley, Kurusadai, Pomarichan, Muli, and Walai, Thalayari. So यहाँ 6 जगह इन्वेजन हुआ है। There are 15 islands that are still unaffected. In total there are 21. Here this is the location of the 18 villages where this Capaphycus is commercially cultivated. This is the area in which is it commercially cultivated and यहीं से इन्वेजन हुआ है और ये फिलहाल इस पार्क को कोरल ब्रीचिंग कर रहा है। यहाँ पे कोरल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। So this is how it is. Despite the prohibition since 2005, this has happened and it has reached the corals. What are these seaweeds? So seaweed is the name given to many species of marine algae and plants that grow in water bodies, जैसे कि rivers, seas, oceans, इन सब में होता है। काफी डिफरेंट साइज के होते हैं। ये माइक्रोस्कोपिक से लार्ज अंडर वाटर फॉरेस्ट के रूप में भी आपको मिलते हैं। Then seaweed is found on the shores across the world, but is more commonly a staple in the Asian countries. Now corals versus the seaweeds. So corals and seaweeds are constantly locked in a battle. How is it so? This dynamic can be compared with trees and weeds growing in a forest, or crops and weeds growing in a forest. Marine algae seeks coral since they provide support for growth, but live corals use their defense mechanism to prevent a hostile takeover. Though corals can protect themselves from native seaweed, but they lose to Capaphycus because it is invasive alien species. The seaweed is dangerous because it grows fast. It grows very fast, doubling its size in 15 to 30 days and seeks out live corals to thrive on. Unlike native seaweeds which typically grow on dead corals. So जैसे native जो सीवीड्स हैं इंडिया के वो डेड कोरल्स पे होते हैं, ये लाइव कोरल्स पर ही फीड कर लेते हैं और वहीं पे ग्रो होना शुरू होते हैं। दैट इज व्हाई दे आर बेसिकली डैमेजिंग द कोरल्स। व्हाट इज सी प्रोडक्शन, वीड प्रोडक्शन इन इंडिया? सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट ही इज कल्टिवेटिंग दैट वीड। इन 2021 इंडिया कल्टिवेटेड अराउंड 34,000 tons of seaweed and the center earmarked rupees 600 crore to increase the seaweed production to 11.85 million tons by 2025. Currently, about 750 farmers are engaged in the seaweed farming. Primary, the seaweed which is farmed is Capaphycus. In 18 villages of Ramanathapuram, we saw that Tamil Nadu, and it is also likely to be cultivated in Tamil Nadu's proposed seaweed park. National research institutes and companies for increased cultivation of Capaphycus to improve livelihoods, profits, and to reduce India's import of this Cappa carrageenan. What is this history of it? सो कमर्शियली प्रोडक्शन जो था इसका शुरू हुआ था फिलीपींस में अराउंड 1960s के अराउंड. द नेटिव लैंड ऑफ द स्पीशीज, दिस इज द नेटिव लैंड. It has since been introduced in over 20 nations. Perhaps India should have been warned of the species' invasive nature when it was introduced in the Hawaii in 1970s. But ऐसा हुआ नहीं. The invasive species has also caused considerable damage to the Coconut Island in Hawaii, Cubagua Island in Venezuela, Zanzibar, Tanzania में, then Almirante and क्रिस्टोबाल इन पनामा एंड कोस्टा रिका एज वेल. सो ये काफी पहले भी नुकसान करता रहा है. इन 2000 द इंस्टीट्यूट ट्रांसफर्ड द टेक्नोलॉजी ऑफ कल्टिवेटिंग Kepa ficus to the PepsiCo company. It's a private limited. The company introduced it to the northern part of the Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park without a proper environment impact assessment. This is how it is. Now we will see some things about the Gulf of Mannar. This is the location. Here it is located between Sri Lanka and India. Here there are 21 islands which form it. The Marine National Park was established in 1982 under the provisions of Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Total area of National Park is around 162.89 kilometers square. The Gulf of Mannar, running down south from the Rameshwaram to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu, it runs down south. India is situated between 78 degree and 8 seconds east to 79 degree 30 seconds east, and latitudes from 80 degree 35 seconds north to 9 degree 25 seconds north. So this is the location basically. Besides key coastal habitats like the coral reefs, sea grass beds and mangroves, Gulf of Mannar support a very rich biodiversity and moreover जो critically endangered species हैं, for example dugong, इस पर यूपीएससी एक बार पहले क्वेश्चन पूछ चुका है, which is also known as the sea cow. All protected sharks including whale shark यहाँ है, sea horses, green and hawkbill sea turtles, dolphins and sea cucumbers. Several endemic species of Pelenglossus, sea grass, crabs and mangroves are also present there. But ये धीरे धीरे डैमेज हो रहा है कोरल ब्रीचिंग की वजह से. The swamp near the Kodandaraman temple near Rameshwaram gives shelter to flock of about 10,000 flamingos every year during the months of December to March, along with various many other species of wanderers and wetland birds. So ये as a wetland भी और उन birds को shelter देने के लिए भी काफी importance रखता है. Now we will be discussing our today's prelims practice questions. So, which of the following rivers does not fall in the Gulf of Mannar? Vaigai, Thamira Barani, Vaipar, Malwathu. Pause the video. You can type the answer in the comment section. They will let you know if it's correct or not. Question 2. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the recent coral bleach? It has been caused due to climate change. It has been caused due to cultivation of invasive seaweed. It has been caused due to an indigenous seaweed. The seaweed has damaged all the coral reef present there. You can also type the answer in the comment section as well. This was all about today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay tuned with Analyst IAS for your better